Assalamu alaikum.
Salam to Allah.
So I have a big problem like making wudu. I wanted to know like do I really have to check like single spot is what and I just wash it and move on like even if I'm not sure.
I can't understand your question.
Yeah, sorry. So when I wash my limbs in wudu, I just take way too long. So I wanted to know if I can just like wash it and move on, or can I just do I have to check like every single spot is fine?
Well, you have to perform wudu in accordance to the way of the Prophet ﷺ, which took probably 1 minute and used this amount of water, 0.7 liters. So 700 milliliters was his amount of wudu. If you use that amount, that's fine. You don't need to check anything. So it shouldn't take you more than a minute to 90 seconds at top.